What is good, everybody? It's your boy Flashy Specs back again once again with another unboxing video. Today, starring the Champions Path Circhester set from the Champions Path series. So let's see what we got. Got your next challenge: defeat the Circhester gym. I think that's how you say it. I'm not too sure. But yeah, these are the so with these two characters, the reason there's two, because if you get sword or shield. So she's in Melanie, that's her name, is in shield, and Gordy, he's in sword. So anyway, your next challenge: defeat the gym leader. I just said that. When you visit the gym in Circhester, you'll find either a place of rock steady resolve led by Gordy and his Colossal, or the coldest gym in Gala region led by Melanie and her Lapras. Either one is sure to test your skill. Discover the dangers of tackling either gym. Earn your gym badge and both Colossal and Lapras to your own team, and find more surprises in the Pokemon TCG Champions Path booster packs. Soak up history and defeat your rivals. And what's included? We got 2 foil cards. One is Colossal, the other is our Lapras. Got 2 pins of the gym badges. Got 5 TCG Pokemon cards, and a code for the online game. I don't know why it's 5 and not 6. You know, just round it up, but because it will look nice. You got 3. Don't know if you can see. You got 3 on the left and 2 on the right. It just don't look right. Anyway, box still looks nice. I like with all the gym leaders on the side. Let's open it up. But I don't know if you can see. So this is the first showing of it in a video. I've got a new mat where I'm doing my unboxes on. It's just a normal like Pokemon game mat. But I don't know, it just looks nice, so I thought I'd buy it. So this box is just giving me more trouble, even with a knife. There we go. Oh, right, there we go. Put that to the side. And here we go. Here is it in the plastic. I like the art though on the Colossal and that. Let me get them out. It'll be easier. He just looks so different. Right. Let's sort everything out. Alright. Actually, before I get into all this, so yeah, this is the new mat I was talking about. Got Charizard, Venusaur, Blastoise, Braixen, Snivy, and Piplup. I thought it just looks nice on the old camera. There we go. Right. So we've got 5 packs. Got the 2 badges. Got Gordy's badge, the rock type gym leader. It's not blurry, is it? Yeah, there we go. Put you over there. And the ice type one. Pretty simple, pretty nice. Have a box out the way. Right, let's get the 2 promo cards out. Oh, and Lapras decided to start flying away. Right, so here is the Oh, nice one. Here's the Lapras. It's got a really realistic art. It looks nice though. I feel like the sparkling and that. There we go. And got one for Colossal, which I really like. Just looks so like, I don't know how to explain it. Focus is not really working. There we go. Oh, there we go. Decided to work now. But yeah, no, it looks really nice. Right. Anyway. Oh, Just Eat. No, you're right. I forgot to turn notification off for that. So what pack should we start with? We got Gardevoir, Alcremie, Dreadnought, Alcremie, Dreadnought. Right, we've got loads of doubles, so we'll go for go for an Alcremie first. Like I say, still on the hunt for Alcremie VMAX. In the last video, I did actually get normal Alcremie, so I'm very happy with that. But I do also... Right, let me just get some scissors instead of faffing about. Also looking forward to trying to get the VMAX version. Here you go, first code's on the house. See what you get. Tell me, let me know in the comments whoever gets it and what you get. 3-3. Right, start this off with a Scraggy. Got Carnivana. Got a Zigzagoon. Kakuna. Roly-Coly. Rotom Phone. Turffield Stadium. Got a Bidet. Reverse holo of the pack is an Inkay, and the rare is a holo Scrafty. Ooh, I like that. I think he's in Wyden, I think they call it in this game. So, you know, the London equivalent. I haven't got him yet, so I'm happy with that. And a Grass Energy for anyone that cares. Put that to the side. Put you there. There we go. Alright, let's go for the Gardevoir pack. Our trusty scissors. Boop. Keep this code for later. You never know when I'm going to show it off. Keep you on your toes. Right. Got a Rockruff. Got a Potion. Pokeball. Got a Carvana. And we got an Ekans. I don't think I've had Ekans yet through the packs I've opened. Got a Rotom Bike. Sharpedo. Got Piers. Reverse holo is a Trubbish. The rare the rare is another Holo Marnie. Fighting Energy. So if you guys have been watching every single Champions Path video I've done, without fail, every box or whatever I've opened, I've had one Hollow Marnie. If you guys are interested, I might do a giveaway for a Marnie, like the Marnies, because I've got, well, this is my 4th one now. I say, well, see, like, maybe subscriber goals. I'll see if I give some away. Or, like, give away dupes. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Alright. Sorry, scissors are right in front of me. Looking for my scissors right in front of me. There we go. Pack there. And another code. Let me know what you get in the comments down below. That. Ba-bum. Right, got a potion. Pokeball. Carvana. Another Ekans. Got a Weedle. Got a Rotom Phone. Got a Liepard. Sharpedo. The reverse is a Machop, and the rare is... and a Psychic Energy. Right, okay. 5th Marnie. Damn it. I mean, there's nothing I can say. In the same box, I've got 2 Marnies. That is incredible. Right. Got 1, 2, 3. If I put 4, that'll be the energy, won't it, I think? Did he just figure out the system, or did he not? We shall see. Right. Got an Inkay. Got a Galarian Zigzagoon. Got a Trubbish. Got a Full Heal. Slizzlepede. Oh, got the energy. Got a Hatterene. Rotom Phone. Turffield Stadium. The reverse is Zigzagoon. Oh, we got something. The rare is Incineroar. Half art, I think. Yeah, that's Incineroar's half art. Oh. Put you to the side. Didn't get another Marnie Hollow. Sadly. Nah, definitely not. Don't want to jinx that. Touch wood. But yeah, look at this bad boy. I love Incineroar. He's great. Out of the, what was he, in Sun and Moon? This was the starter I picked. He just seemed the most appealing. But no, he's great. I love him. Oh, it's such a nice card. It's a very nice card. Right, let's put you there. Oh. Right. One more pack. Let's see what we get. See if we get something amazing. Or another Marnie. Making sure I wasn't cutting through a card then. The cutting seemed quite difficult. Right. Oh. I left the Swablu in there. I'm just making sure I don't see what the rare card is. And spoil it for myself. Another code. Good luck. You guys know what to do. Let me know in the comments down below what you get. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Right. Got a Machop. Galarian Zigzagoon. Got a Vulpix. Got a Rockruff. Reverse Hollows, the Pokemon Center Lady. Was that a reverse? Yeah, it was. Oh, I must have mixed them up by mistake. Oh, still uncommon. Got Malama. Turfield Stadium. Lipard. Swablu. Oh, and the holo is... Oh, it's another trainer. Professor's Research. Professor Magnolia. Discard your hand, draw 7 cards. Huh. Okay. So that is everything. Here's another look at her. I mean, at least the holo looks nice. But yeah, that was Circhester. Yep, Circhester's box. So let's go through, see what we got. Go for the promos again, just in case you want to have another look. Got Colossal. Got Lapras. And then we got 2 Marnies again. And another one. I'll have a whole deck full of Marnie soon. There she is. Also got Scrafty. He does look nice though. And we got the Incineroar, which I'm happy about. He looks very nice. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment, follow, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything I could improve, and I hope you all have a good day. I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Peace.